Hi, I'm happy to be here. I am Mohammed Ejhadou and you are watching Ejhadou's English. Today we're going to talk about some verbs, the common verbs in English for beginner. We are going to learn some verbs, okay, for beginner. Okay, let's start. The first one for today is leave. Live, okay, where the place you live in. For example, the country you live in or the place you live in. I will start with the country. I live in Morocco. Where do you live? Do you live in Morocco too, or where the country you live in? And the first place you live in, do you live in a house or a flat? Do you live in a house or a flat? Okay, I live in a house. This is, for example, I live in a house. Okay, next one we have for today, verb work. Work, work, okay, an action you do, okay? An action you do or a work you do is a work. Work is a work you do or an action you do to pay for it, okay? Do you work? Do you have a job? For example, are you a doctor? Are you a teacher? Are you a nurse? Okay, there are many jobs. There are many jobs, okay? I will give an example for verb work. I work in a city center. I am a doctor. I work in a city center. I am a doctor. Yeah, I know. Yes, I am a teacher. Just I give an example. Okay, I like to teach English. Okay, by the way, okay, I like it. Okay, for in this, okay, in this channel, just I want to share with you I want to share with you my experience with English. Okay, next one we have for today, have. Okay, the most common verb in English is verb have. Have we okay, I have a mobile phone. You are right now you are watching me on by mobile phone, okay? I have a mobile phone. I have a car. I have a house. I have children, okay? There's a lot of example about verb have. Have. And sometimes have means to take. For example, I have my breakfast or I eat, I'm sorry. I have my breakfast at 7 o'clock. It means I eat my breakfast at 7 o'clock. Or sometimes I have a taxi to work. That means I take a taxi to work. Okay, perfect. Okay, I will give you another example about have. Okay, he doesn't have a mobile phone. He doesn't have a mobile phone. Perfect. Good. Next one we have drink. Okay. We use it to do an action about, for example, water. Okay, water. I drink water. I drink coffee. I drink tea. Okay, I drink. I drink. I mean, verb drink. Okay. I will give you an example right now about drink. I don't drink coffee in the evening. Okay. I don't drink coffee in the evening. You know what? Because if I don't coffee in the evening, I'm not gonna sleep, okay? And next day I will get tired. I will get or I feel tired as I haven't slept. Okay, this is why I don't drink coffee in evening. I avoid that. I avoid drinking coffee in the evening. Next verb we have for today is verb speak. Okay, the most think learner of English want to be a good speaker in English, and for you also you want to be a good speaker in English. You want to speak English very well. Okay, you have to practice a lot if you want to get if you want to speak English very well. This is the secret. No, not the secret. Okay, you have to practice without any secret, anything like that. Okay, just you need to practice, 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 practice with a friend, practice with a colleague, practice with okay someone you know. Okay, well, just get when you get an opportunity, don't be shy. Okay, just practice, speak. Okay, don't be afraid of making mistake. We learn from mistakes. Okay, this is the point. Okay, I will give an example right now. I live in Morocco, but I don't speak Arabic. No, I'm kidding. Just an example, okay? As I said, okay, I live in Morocco and I don't speak Arabic. I live in Morocco. I don't speak Arabic. Okay, this is an example. Let's move to another one. Next one is want. Want, at the moment, you want a lot of things. There are some people want a car, want a mobile phone, want a house, want money. Okay, all people work for money. Okay, want money. Okay, want money. Okay, I will give an example about verb want. Okay, my daughter wants a dog, but I don't like them. My daughter wants a dog, but I don't like them. Okay, I don't like dog. Okay, I don't like dog. No, I don't know why. No, I'm just okay. No, I like animals. I like animals. I like cats. I like dogs. I like everything. But I don't have any one of them. Just be sure. I don't have any one of them. Okay. Okay. You are studying at university right now, or you are studying at school. Okay. You are studying at school. You are studying English. You are studying philosophy. You are studying science. You are studying biology, you are studying history. Okay, this is the verb study. Okay, an example, I study at university. I study at university. Another one, she studies at university. More example, we study at university. Watch. The most common verb in English is watch. Okay, watch TV, watch movies, watch, okay, a play, okay, you watch a play, okay, we still watch a play, okay, I see a play, not watch a play, I see a play, okay, I watch TV, a lot of people watch TV, it's good to watch TV and to watch some movies in English because that is going to help you to improve your English and to get some vocabulary, and in the same time you are going to hear a native speaker how they talk, how they speak English, how they talk, how they okay deal with English. This is the main point of that. Okay, I don't watch TV at breakfast time. Okay, I don't watch TV at breakfast time. Do you watch TV at breakfast time or do you watch TV at lunchtime? Okay, me too. Oh, I don't watch TV at lunchtime. The last one for today is listen. Okay, if you want to learn English, and I guess you are right now learning English, you are the good way, okay, the right, I'm sorry, you are the right way because you are watching this video right now. That means you want to learn English and you are doing good and you are doing great. Okay, listen a lot to English, listen to music, listen to some podcasts in English. Okay, that is going to improve your listening skill. Okay, yeah, as you know, in English there are four skills: reading skills, writing skills, speaking skills, and listening skill. Okay, perfect. Okay, listen a lot, and that will help you. For example, this for verb listen is I listen to the radio in the morning. Okay, do you listen to the radio in the morning? Okay, another example. She listens to the radio in the morning. He doesn't listen to the radio in the morning. You listen to the radio in the morning or in the evening or in the afternoon. Okay, no matter what, just do it. Just listen. Okay, this is listen. Okay, thank you so much. As I mentioned before, okay, I am happy to be here. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, because I want to see you next time. See you soon.